So good afternoon, Tanay. Welcome back to the physics class. This is Pooja Sharma, your physics teacher. Hope you all are fine. Dilpreet never in school uniform. Huh? And then he will say, ma'am, only face is visible. Dilpreet, try to change your attitude a little. Fine. Chale. In the previous class, we have started about S19, 6-2. That is a practical paper. Fine. 2 questions were there of 10 marks and we have covered that. Any doubt? Any question from those two?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's proceed on with the next paper today. Today we are going to do S19, 3-2. Fine. So let me just open the paper onto the screen. Yes, bacha, is the screen visible? Is the paper visible to all? Anji, please give a thumbs up if it is visible to you. Okay, thank you, Vardhan. Okay, so first question is your biology. Second question is chemistry. Basically, the sequence go this way only. Almost. Fine. 90% the sequence is this only. That you will be having your physics question as 3, 6, 9, 12. Fine. First question biology, second chemistry, third of physics. Now this is the third question. This is of physics. Again, fourth question most probably is going to be of biology. Yes, it is. Then fifth of chemistry. Then sixth again of physics. This one. Fine. Charlie. We are going to go with the questions one by one. First, I'm taking you to question number 3 of physics. That is the first question of physics. Okay. So let's begin with this. Figure 3.1 shows 4 different parts of the cyclist's journey. Fine. First, eating food before beginning. Second, riding on a flat road. Then riding up a hill. Then riding down a hill. So these are the 4 parts of the cyclist journey. Fine. Okay. Complete the sentences about useful energy transformations using the words or the phrases from the list. So you are provided with 5 of the words. You may use each word or phrase once, more than once, not at all. So it's not that there are 5 filling the blanks and there are 5 words, like there are 4 filling the blanks and 5 words. So you have to use almost all. Fine. It can be that one is going to be used in all the 5 blanks. So you have to just choose and find the best fit. Fine. Chale. Let's read it. Let's complete it. Then I'm going to ask it from you. The question is of 3 marks on your screen. Chemical energy, potential, gravitational potential, chemical potential, kinetic, sound, thermal. These are the 5 given. Read the passage given and put the accurate one. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you show the diagram?
The diagram. Okay. So is it okay if I show it till here? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have the diagram, the options, and the blanks. Hanji, is it done? Chale, let's talk about the answer one by one. Okay. The first is the cyclist starts his day by eating food. This provides a store of dash energy within the cyclist body. Hanji, raise your hand. Yes, Vardha.
Ma'am, kinetic energy.
When you eat food, you will get kinetic energy.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, chemical potential energy.
Yes. When you eat
Sorry.
food, you get the chemical potential energy. So the first is going to be over here. I'm not going to write it complete, but you are not going to do this in the exam. Okay, 1, 2, 3 करके 1, 2 नहीं लिखोगे. So you have to write completely there chemical potential energy. Okay, so the cyclist starts his day by eating food. This provides a store of chemical potential energy within the cyclist body. Second, this energy in the cyclist body is transferred to dash energy as the cyclists ride along the flat road. So when you start riding, Hanji Isha.
Kinetic energy.
Very good. When you start riding, the chemical potential energy which is stored in the body, now it is getting converted into kinetic energy. Fine. Okay. Third point, the cyclist rides up a hill and some of the energy is transferred to dash energy. So when you ride up a hill, Hanji Navjot.
Ma'am, gravitational potential.
Very good. When you go above the level, your kinetic energy gets converted into gravitational potential energy because you are going against the gravity. Fine. You have to move in the upward direction. So the जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाते जाओगे, kinetic energy keep on decreasing and the gravitational potential energy keep on increasing. So the answer is gravitational potential energy. I'm sorry, I have written it wrong. Second blank पे आना था 3, that is the kinetic energy. Third blank पे आना है 2, that is the gravitational potential energy. Okay, talk about the fourth blank. When the cyclist rides down a hill, he does not need to paddle. The cyclist gains the speed as the dash energy is transferring into the kinetic energy. Yes, Dilpreet.
Gravitational potential energy.
Yes. When you come down, which energy transfer? देखो, when you go up, kinetic energy किस में change हुई? Gravitational potential में. और जब आप नीचे आओगे, they are asking that which energy is going to be converted into kinetic energy. So obviously, There is a gravitational potential energy and it will get converted into kinetic. तो यहाँ पे भी second is the answer, that is the gravitational potential energy. I hope you are clear with this. Okay, now let's talk about the marking scheme for this. In this question, you are having 4 blanks and the question is of 3 marks. So how it is awarded? Let's say 1 question is correct and 3 are wrong. You will get 1 mark. Fine. Out of 4, if 3 are wrong and 1 is correct, you will get 1 mark out of 3. Now let's say 2 are correct and 2 are wrong. You will get 2 marks out of 3. Fine. And if 3 are correct, 1 is wrong, still you will get 2 marks. And if all the 4 are correct, then you will get 3 out of 3. It means अगर एक आंसर सही होगा 1 mark, all answers are correct 3 marks, 2 or 3 correct so 2 marks, because you know there is no half mark into this. So it is not that if 2 are correct then 2 marks, if 3 are correct then 2.5. No, 3 मिल नहीं सकते because the total question is of 3 marks. Fine. So if you are doing 1 correct, 1 mark. If you are doing 2 or 3 correct, 2 marks. तीनों चारों सही होंगे, only then you will get 3 out of 3. Done. So you can give the marks accordingly to yourself. Chali. Can we move with the next question? Sorry, next part. We have covered just 3 marks question. Okay, Hanji, B part onto your screen. Kindly read the question. This is the numerical. Read it and do it. Take care of the conversions as per the demand of the question. Hanji, go ahead, do onto your notebook. Then I'm going to check your notebooks. Hanji, yes, Dilpreet.
24 km/h.
24. Okay. Navjot, you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rest also do it. Then I'm going to do it onto the screen. हाँ जी बेटा, so is this correct? Yes Isha. Okay, good. Yes Vardha. Vardha, you did any conversion in this?
मैम मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दिए, तेरे से क्लियर नहीं दिखेगा।
अच्छा ओके, कितना आंसर यही आ रहा है 24?
यस मैम 24 किलोमीटर पर आवर।
हाँ जी ठीक है जी, बिल्कुल सही है, कोई कन्वर्शन नहीं हुई। यस, व्हाई वी हैव नॉट डन एनी कन्वर्शन? बिकॉज डिस्टेंस गिवन इन किलोमीटर, टाइम गिवन इन आवर एंड स्पीड दे आस्क्ड इन किलोमीटर पर आवर। किलोमीटर पर आवर में ही स्पीड पूछी गई है ना। So if they ask in meter per second, then you have to convert kilometer into meter and hour into second. But now it is like this. So 12 divided by 0.5, the answer is 24 kilometer per hour. Chale, good. Anyone, any doubt? हाँ जी, ईशा, दिलप्रीत, नवजोत, नवजोत क्लियर है। हरकीरत बेटा, any doubt? Okay, just Jasmine. Clear? Okay. Chale, let's move with the next part. Okay, then it is a graph and C part is a graph. The question is, okay, just a minute. By the way, this question is of 2 marks. ये जो हमने numerical वाला question किया है, it is of 2 marks. So how it is going to be? See, if you look onto the question carefully, they gave you the space for doing the working also. है ना? This space is given for the working. So just writing the answer 1 mark, solving, showing the working 1 mark. Fine. So please keep this in mind. ऐसा नहीं कि calculator पे solve करके you have just written the answer, you will get 1 mark only for that. Maybe the answer is correct, but if they have given you the space for solving, it means the marks are there for the solving as well. So rough पे कहीं पे करोगे, you will not get the marks. Okay, then is C part. Figure 3.2 shows the speed time graph for the part of the cyclist journey. So speed time graph it is. Fine. Label with X a point where the cycle is at rest. Cyclist is at rest. Y when there is a changing speed. Z where there is a constant speed. Hanji. Do it first, then I'm going to ask. You can roughly draw it onto your notebook and do it. हाँ जी दिलप्रीत।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes बेटा, हाँ जी। You raised your hand, that's why I'm asking you. Your hand is
Ma'am,
raised.
first will be ma'am. Ma'am, the upper one is speed now, ma'am. So, ma'am, it will be on ma'am like anywhere on ma'am x-axis.
Okay, anywhere means what?
Oh, no, ma'am, no, ma'am. The point where it started, or ma'am, the point where it ended, ma'am.
Yes, that can be very good. So it's not anywhere, है ना? This point is x.
Yes.
You can write x over here and this point. Because if it is somewhere other than this, यहीं पे speed 0 है. बाकी तो speed की कुछ ना कुछ value आती जाएगी, है ना? So only on x-axis the speed is 0. So at the start you can write x, at the end you can write x. X means a point where the cyclist is at rest. जब start करने लगा journey, it is at rest. Rest से start हुई. When it finish, it comes to rest. Very good. हाँ जी नवजोत, next.
मैम y जहाँ पे स्लोप है वहां पे आएगा।
कहाँ पे स्लोप है?
मैम रेस्ट के आगे स्लोप जा रही है ऊपर, फिर कौन?
Okay, this one. This one is y. And what about this one? This one is also y, I guess.
यस मैम।
Yes, very good. So both the slopes. Slopes means what? There is a change in speed. Changing speed पूछा है आपको. So slope means there is a change in speed. How can you tell that? देखो यहाँ पे speed है आपकी 0. Then let's say the speed is 10. Then 20. है ना? Then 30. Then 40. In the first slope, the speed goes from 0 to 40. Change हुआ speed में. In the last slope, it goes from 40 back to 0. Change हुआ. Maybe it can be the positive change or the negative change, but the change is there. So it is the changing speed. So on both the slopes, you can say y, point y, for denoting the cyclist is moving with changing speed. Next is the point z. Z point where the cyclist is moving with constant speed. अच्छा, constant speed कहाँ पे है? Raise your hands.
मैम
Constant speed.
मैम at 40.
At 40. Okay. हाँ जी, Jasmine.
I'm at 40 from where the line is straight.
Very good. Where we have a straight line parallel to the x-axis. This one. Here you are going to write a z. Okay. Now who is going to tell me that y? Why it is the constant speed? इसको constant speed क्यों बोला? हाँ जी वर्धा.
मैम टाइम चेंज हो रहा है, मगर मैम जो स्पीड है वो सेम है मैम, 40 रहेगी और इसी स्पीड से वो कॉन्स्टेंटली चल.
Very good. We started from this point. Here the speed is 40 and it keep 40 till here. Fine. So that is why it is called constant. मतलब speed है. It is in motion. It is in not in rest. It is in motion. But there is no change in speed. ना increase हो रहा है ना decrease हो रहा है. So very well done. So the question is of 3 marks. Fine. अच्छा, अब इसमें मार्किंग कैसे होगी? X, first question था X at rest. So 1 will come here and 1 will come here. So my dear, if both the points are correct, you will get the marks. Otherwise, I guess no marks. ठीक है? हाँ, it can be that if 1 is correct, but I guess full marks तभी मिलते हैं if all is correct. And यहाँ पे it is just of 1 mark. So both are going to be correct. अगर आप एक करेक्ट लिखोगे दूसरा गलत लिखोगे मे बी, बाकी डिपेंड करेगा एज पर द मार्किंग, बट हमने अपनी तरफ से पूरा करेक्ट करना है. फाइन. देन y in the changing speed. Here also speed is changing in this slope also and in this slope. So both sides you have to label y. And z you have to label here. And one more thing. Try just not to do this. Fine. Along with this now, you have to make it like this कि y कहाँ से कहाँ तक आ रहा है, z कहाँ से कहाँ तक जा रहा है, because they are saying to label it, है ना? तो अपनी labeling proper करना. Okay? Maybe if you even don't draw the arrows, you will get the points because your labeling is very correct, but we never know. Fine. So if they have given you the chance for doing the labeling, try to make all the labelings. Can we move with the next question? Chaliye, next question is of 2 marks. The cyclist uses a bicycle light. The bicycle light circuit contains cell, switch, lamp. Draw the circuit diagram for the bicycle light. The question is of 2 marks. Here 2 things you need to follow. One is all the labelings, क्योंकि circuit diagram बोला है. So you will not write this is CELL cell. This is SWITC. You have to write the symbols. Fine. Okay. One more thing here, that after the class, like tomorrow is Sunday, what you are going to do is the chapter, the electric circuit. Fine. Where you have all the circuit symbols. Go with that ones. Resistor, rheostat. Fine. Then the lamp, the on switch, off switch. You must be clear with which symbol to be used for which component. Okay, just we are going to wait, Navjot, Dilpreet, we are just going to wait for 2 minutes. Let everybody draw. Then I'm going to stop this sharing screen and I'll be checking your notebooks. Fine? Where you have drawn. Okay, Vardha done. Okay. Anji, Isha, do it. If anyone have any doubt, you can please raise your hand and ask. Anji, Vardha, there is some doubt? Okay, yes.
मैम व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दूं आपको?
व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे चेक कर लेती हूँ.
ठीक है.
Going to check. We will have this speaker view and we will check. चलिए, जैस्मिन डन बेटा? Good, Dilpreet. चलिए, let's show me one by one. Okay, so first Vardha. Vardha, are you able to hear me? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Vardha, are you able to hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anji, show. Okay, good. Next, Dilpreet. Dilpreet, please unmute. Dilpreet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's the blank page, Dilpreet. Okay, fine. So it is the open switch you have used. Fine. And the Jasmine.
Yeah, not tell in the question.
Okay. Yes, Jasmine. Okay. See the type of switch Jasmine has used. This is also correct way. ठीक है? लेकिन Jasmine square की जगह ना आपको circle बनाना है बेटा. Switch के side पे. This way also we can draw the symbol. This is also correct. Very good. Then Isha. Isha, show your notebook. Isha? Isha not able to listen. हाँ जी नवजोत. Okay, correct. Yes, Isha. Isha, you have unmuted yourself, but we are not able to hear you. Yes, Peter. Your voice is not coming. The diagram which you have drawn is correct, but your voice is not coming. There is some problem. I guess, Isha, whenever you use the headphones, na, there is some problem. है ना? So maybe.
Now.
Yes. Now it is okay. Because this happens previously also, that is why. This is just a guess. Sure. Okay, let's move on with the next. Let me just open the paper. Okay, so this question is of 2 marks. So there are 3 symbols actually. Fine. So if you draw any of the symbol wrong, maybe you will get 1 mark. Fine. So all the symbols to be correctly drawn. Chale. Moving on. Okay, this complete question is of 12 marks. The last part. The potential difference across the lamp is 1.5 volt. The current flowing in the circuit is 0.75 ampere. Calculate the resistance of the lamp. Show your working. Resistance is equal to dash ohm. So I'm stressing on to show your working. Matlab you have to do here only in the space, okay? And then you have to write. And do it. Okay. Angie, done? Angie, Jasmine, beta, done? Okay, Jasmine, what is the formula used? Sir, formula bata do. Which formula?
From that we used to find power.
Huh?
Ma'am, voltage into current.
Yes. नहीं into current नहीं करोगे बेटा, गलत हो गया. गलत हो गया. हाँ जी ईशा.
Ma'am, voltage divided by current.
Why?
Ma'am, I have used.
नहीं, why we have used this?
Resistance formula.
From where we get it?
Ma'am, from power.
तो पावर तो दिया ही नहीं हुआ. ये कैसे यूज किया? हाँ जी वर्धा,
मैम ठीक तो है मैम, रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू करंट इनटू वोल्टेज।
अच्छा गलत है बेटा, गलत है।
मैम
थिंक वंस। हाँ जी नवजोत,
मैम V इज इक्वल टू IR का फॉर्मूला यूज होगा और
यस,
वोल्टेज डिवाइडेड बाय करंट
Yes.
इज इक्वल टू रेजिस्टेंस।
very good, very good. Okay, your eyes onto the screen, my dear students. Girls, see, you are using P is equal to VI. फॉर्मूला एकदम करेक्ट है, बट इसमें R कहाँ पे है? If we use V multiplied by I, we will get power. But what they are asking? They are asking for resistance. इस फॉर्मूला में रेजिस्टेंस थोड़ी आ रहा है। So you have to use the formula. जैस्मीन ने जो बताया वो यही था जैस्मीन, ईशा ने भी यही बताया, वर्धा ने भी यही बताया। But when we use voltage multiplied by current, we will get power. हमें निकालना क्या है? Resistance. So that is given by Ohm's law. V directly proportional to I, or we can say V is equal to I into R. अब यहाँ से R की वैल्यू निकालनी है। V already here, I from this side, R के साथ multiply कर रहा है, on other side it will divide. So the formula is equal to R is equal to V divide by I. ईशा ने फॉर्मूला सही बताया है, but ईशा is confused that why I have used this formula. Isha, this is a guess, yes? Sure. So it is V divided by I, you will get R. Fine. Now put the values. R is equal to V की value कितनी है? 1.5 divide by I की value है 0.75. And when you solve this, Dilpreet already gave the answer correct, that is 2. आगे लिखोगे ओम, बट आपको नहीं लिखना, because it is already given resistance is equal to dash ohm. So ohm already written है, you just have to write 2. हाँ जी, is this clear now? हाँ जी वर्धा, you raise your hand. Doubt?
नो मैम, मैम पर आंसर मैम सही आया था मेरा मैम,
हाँ तो
फॉर्मूला
आंसर
मैंने
सही है,
गलत।
मैंने ये थोड़ी बोला आंसर गलत है।
ठीक है
But
मैम।
you said V multiply by I, multiply थोड़ी होगा,
Yes,
और
ma'am.
multiply करके आंसर सही कैसे आ गया? आंसर आ ही नहीं सकता।
नहीं मैम, पता नहीं पर आंसर 2 ओम ही आया।
अच्छा, but then that way you will not get the marks, na? See, if it is written show working, means first working has to be correct. Yes. Like Isha also said, it is V divided by I, but आपने value find कर रहे हो आप power की है ना, तो वो गलत हो जाएगा।
Yes.
ठीक है? So you have to use the correct formula and then correct value. ठीक है? Answer correct आ सकता है। Like 2 plus 2 is also 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is also 4. है ना? But formula also is important. Is it clear now? Okay. Let's move on with the next question. So with this, we have covered question number 3 completely. One task is done. Moving on with question number 6. That is again of physics. Okay. This is regarding sound. है ना? The radio and the speaker is there. Okay. So figure 6.1 shows the presenter talking into the microphone at a radio station. A man listening to the radio show at the radio at home. So one side there is the person, there is a girl in the radio station. Fine. And on the other side, a person sitting at home listening the radio. Chale. Now the question. Very good question and always asked question. The question which always comes. This one. Write radio wave in the correct location in the incomplete electromagnetic spectrum. They are not saying to complete all the columns. They are just saying that write the radio wave at the right column. Hanji. So where radio waves comes? Chale, it is 35. We are going to begin with this question in the next class. Okay, if you remember, I told you one formula to learn this. Do you remember that? What we did is कि visible light को आपने main रख के चलना है. Visible light क्या होता है? VIB GY OR है ना. यहाँ पे है violet, violet के आगे आएगा ultraviolet. यहाँ पे है red, red से पहले आएगा infrared. Fine. Then you left up with the 3 columns. यहाँ पे X rays, gamma rays आ गया, है ना. What comes here? This is MRI. So this is your radio wave. Once please learn this correctly. आपको ये याद होना चाहिए that see here they said that draw the radio wave, write the radio wave. There can be something else also. तो आपको ये सारा टेबल याद होना चाहिए. Fine. We start from this table in the next class. But before that table आपको याद होना चाहिए. After that there is a question regarding compression and rarefaction. Then there is a suggestion. Then the ray diagram. Then the molecules are there. You have to tell which is ice, which is steam, which is water. That's it till here. Try to complete question number 6. Fine. We are going to have a discussion onto this question number 6 in the next class. But try to complete it. Pre-read, solve it, pre-solve. Fine. Then we discuss it in the next class. And then we try to do question number 9 and 12 also. Thank you so much. I hope what you have done today is clear. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.